Okay, fine. Let's say guys. Firstly, we'll complete it today. Just small things are there remains. Online people active guys. All online people. All the online people pre-active, right? Let's see. So everybody concentrate now. So think about it right now, everyone. Let's see there. Yeah. So what example we had taken on find a what example we had taken product, right? Which table we had created? Product table, right? Okay, product table is there. Inside this product table, can anybody tell me the names? ID is there. Okay, ID is there. Name is the I remember. ID is there. Name is there. About is there, and price. I hope. Yeah, price we had written, and we are trying to perform some operations in that, right? For operations, everybody concentrate. For operations, we had created one class which is known as which class, guys? DAO class. Exactly, DAO class is there. Class product DAO, something like that. Class product DAO, something like that. Product array R. Product DAO we had created. Inside this product DAO, we are not going to write all the code explicitly by our own, right? What we are going to use? Template. Which template? JDBC template. So JDBC template is a class or interface, guys? Class. Who will provide this class? Spring JDBC, obviously, right? Now I am writing here private JDBC template, and we are writing here what, guys? Template. Okay, great. Now after that, what we had provided? Tell me, guys. Product DAO. Product DAO. I had written product DAO. We had written and JDBC template, and we had written here what, guys? Template. Sir, why we had created constructor? Can anybody specify this? For what reason we had created constructor? Tell me answer. Don't worry about it. Tell me answer. Arey yaar, we need all the connection at the time of object creation only, na? That's why we are going for the things which is mandatory. We will go for which injection? Constructor or setter? Constructor. Great. Now that's why we had created constructor like that. Okay, fine. Now this will provide me this will provide me one particular, you can say that, functionality for connecting with the database. But JDBC template directly provide the connection to the database? No. It will take the help of which class, guys? Data source. Perfectly. Data source is a class or interface? Interface. Great. If it is an interface, can I create the object of interface? Then anybody had provided me any implementation class? What is that implementation class? Exactly. Let's see, guys. So that's why right now, everybody concentrate. Right now, internally here, concentrate here. Internally here, JDBC template will be act like something like this. JDBC, everybody concentrate. JDBC template. Template is there and template is there. Just a matter of 2 minutes, just a matter of 20 minutes and then course completed JDBC. Right? That's it. JDBC course completed. Just 10 minutes. That's it. Let's see, guys. Spring नहीं complete हुआ है कुछ और वो जिंदगी में नहीं खत्म होगा. Let's see. Now, everybody concentrate. Now we are writing JDBC template here. Now inside this JDBC template, again, if I create here driver manager data source, this is internal code, guys. Red line which I am writing internal code, right? Driver manager data source. Suppose if I am writing, this is a implementation class or not? Yes. Now if I am writing driver manager data source equals to, right? Source equals to new driver manager data source. What is the problem, guys? Tomorrow if I need any other sources, then I have to change the class again or not? That's why instead of writing directly, never design to concrete classes, always design to interface. That's why we are writing here source, and we are writing here what, guys? Source. Okay. And then now same thing. Data source will provide me what thing, guys? Data source will provide me, tell me fast. Data source internally provide me what? Repeated boiler. What is that repeated boiler logic? Connection right? Or you can say that here, driver name, right? Driver name. Everybody see here. Driver name is there. And next one, right? Prepared statement. Exactly. Prepared statement. And the next one is what, guys? Result set. Now these all the code which I had written here right now, these are the repeated set of logic or not? Yes. That repeated set of logic will be provided by whom, guys? JDBC template. And JDBC template use which class? Data source. And data source internally use which class? Driver manager data source. So all these things whichever you are seeing right now, I need at the time of JDBC object creation only now. So if I need something at the time of object creation, tell me, then I have to go for which injection? Setter or constructor? Constructor means mandatory right now. So let's write here constructor injection. That's why JDBC template internally have the constructors also, right? JDBC internally have the constructors also, default constructor as well. Default constructor is there, as well as parameterized constructors are also there. JDBC template, right? And which is internally taking data source here, right? Source here. And we are writing here this dot source equals to source. If the people who came today and yesterday you were sleeping, please see the notes one time. Now you can see, guys, right now JDBC data source is there, and we had JDBC had provided how many constructors? 2 constructors, one default and one parameterized, as well as it's have the setter method also, right? So meanwhile I'm writing only these classes, right? Let it be. Right now just understand. What do you have to understand? See here. You have to understand, for performing some operation, I need product DEO class. Product DEO class, I am not writing any duplicate or boilerplate logic code. Who will provide? JDBC template will provide. JDBC template will not directly provide all those things. It will take the help of data source. And data source as an interface, we cannot create the object. That's why right now Spring had provided which class? Driver manager data source. Up to that is clear for everyone? Okay. Now, because of this line of code, guys, what will happen? See here what will happen. Some logic will be provided. What logic will be provided right now? Just only connection provided. Sir, how? If you remember, I told you yesterday that this data source is present in which package, guys? Java X dot SQL. Java X dot SQL dot you can say that source or data source, something like that. Data source class is there. Now, why Java X will be there? Because on the server, one connection pool is available. Connection pool means what, right? Everybody understand. Connection pool means what? Suppose if I tell you, concentrate, guys. If I tell you to create this connection, generally what you will do, guys, for this connection, you are going to write here connection con equals to driver manager dot get connection or not. And then you are going to write here what, guys? URL, username and password. And then this connection will be stabilized or not? Yes. Means this is the set of repeated logic or not? Yes. Now this set of repeated logic which you are going to perform every time, connection pooling will perform these operations for you. Just you have to provide your information. Here, connection pooling will do what? Connection pooling here in this side. Everybody concentrate. The connection pool will do what? Right. The connection pool will do what? Provide all the implementation for you. Or you can say that it will provide you the connection. Now just you have information about your database. What are the information you have to provide to your database, guys? Driver name. Arey bhai, oh, why you are watching like that, yaar? Information means what? What you are providing the information right now? Are you giving, suppose if you are using Oracle database, what you are going to provide the information? Tell me. Are you are providing the driver name or not? You are providing the URL or not? You are providing your username and you are going to provide the password or not? These things, who have to provide? Programmer. When these things, when you are going to provide it, connection pool will take that information and provide you the information right now, provide you the connection right now. Sir, how? By writing this set of code, by writing this set of code, guys. Again, I'm telling you, what you are doing, you are providing the information about your database. Connection pool will do what? Connection pool will take that information, right? It will take that information, and with the help of this type of code, it will provide you the connection. That's why data source directly not going to write this set of logic. Everybody concentrate. Data source is not going to write this set of logic. बैठो, तुमको मैं बोलना छोड़ दिया, राइट? तुम्हारी मर्जी. चलो, let's see. Everybody understood? Now, one time repeat with me, guys, everybody. Now, data source explicitly going to write connection con equals to driver manager dot get connection. Data source, inside data source, it will work with directly writing the same type of code every time? No. Use your common sense. Again, I'm telling you. Okay, fine. Let's see. For performing some operation, everybody concentrate. For performing some operation, I have to write a repeated set of logic or not? That's why Spring had provided which class? JDBC template, right or not? JDBC template will provide me all these repeated set of logic or not? Now, JDBC alone provide, or it will take the help of data source? JDBC alone provide it, or it will take the help of any other interface? What is the interface name? Data source. Data source interface, can you create the object? No. That's why Spring JDBC had provided which class? Driver manager data source. Okay, now understand. Driver manager data source will provide all those things to not, all those things to the JDBC template or not? Yes. Now, right now we are talking about connection. For connection, guys, every time data source or driver manager data source have to write this set of logic or not? That's why they had provided what, guys? Connection pool, where you will provide just your information about your database. Just you will provide your information about database, and this connection pool will give you the connection with the help of this code. Everybody understood that? Now let's see. Let's hear. तुम लोग का साइलेंस मुझे समझ आ जाता है. कैसे होगा भाई? ऐसे कैसे होगा यार? मत किया करो. Okay, let's see. I'm writing here. Suppose. See here. I'm writing a driver name. Everybody understand? I'm writing a driver name. Okay, everybody concentrate here. I'm writing a driver name. Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot, what is that? Oracle driver. Okay, everybody concentrate. URL I'm writing as, right? URL I'm writing as JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon @ localhost 1521, and what is that? XE, right? Username I'm writing here. System, and password I'm writing here manager. Password I'm writing here manager. Suppose I'm writing. So explicitly how you are going to perform this code, guys? Explicitly in your program, you are writing here connection con equals to, tell me how you are going to write it, guys. First of all, you are going to write here class dot for name. Okay, inside the class dot for name, what you are going to write, guys? Right? Are you going to initialize the hard code this value? No, na. Are you going to write again this value? No. Just you are going to write here what, guys? Driver name. Right? Driver name. Now, again, what you are going to perform? Connection con equals to driver manager dot get connection. If I am writing here driver manager dot get connection, I have to hard code or just I have to pass URL? Just you have to pass the variable name right now. Now this one is password. Now my connection is, because of that my connection is established or not? Now these all set of logic which you are seeing right now in this thing, every time for making the connection I have to write this set of logic or not? Now what connection pool will do? Connection pool will tell you, everybody concentrate. Connection pool will tell you that do one thing, provide me your value, because you have the idea about your value, right? You have the idea about your value. Okay, be on time, be on time. You have the idea about this value, right? Now what you are doing, as a programmer you are providing me this value, and what I will do, everybody concentrate, what I will do right now, I will take this value and perform right now, just here I will take this value and perform these operations. Pagal ho jata. Right, I will take this value and perform these operations. Right, I will take this value and perform these operation for you. Now who will provide these value? These value are provided by whom, guys? Connection pooling. Connection pool. Now this connection pool internally present, I mean to say this connection pooling facility will present in Java X package or not? Yes, Java X dot SQL. That's why whatever the class present inside java.sql, whatever the class, suppose the class is interface is data source have some child classes, everybody understand, driver manager, data source. Suppose right now this connection pooling, this functionality, guys, this functionality, this one I'm talking about, black block box. Now inside this black box, guys, it is providing me connection pooling or not? Yes. This connection pooling class is this connection pooling functionality present in which package? Java.x.sql package. Now whoever the classes or interface are inside this package, everybody will get this type of facility or not? Everybody will get this type of facility or not? Yes, that's why right now in this place you can see that data source right now for connection not going to write this code, just it is going to call the method for getting the connection. And that method is present in where, guys? Connection pooling. Who will give you what? Connection. I hope it's clear in the mind, right? Okay, let's start. Now this connection provided. Now if the connection provided, then how we can perform the logic? Now the connection will be stabilized with the database. Now I have to perform the logic. Now for performing the logic, guys, let's see, guys, for performing the logic, we are going to write here, everybody see here, we are going to write here one query, private static, suppose private static. Let me write it here. Let me write it here, guys. Okay. Hold on. Private static, right? Final. Everybody see. SQL query for count. Suppose I'm writing here. Everybody concentrate. SQL query for count. Now I'm writing here query. Select count from, right? Select count from, what is that? 1. Table name is product. Now this is the functionality I have to perform. So for this connection needed and connection I got. Now how, sir, I can perform the operation? Previously for performing these operation, what we have to do, guys? We have to create one prepared statement. We have to pass the SQL query inside the prepared statement. Then we have to write execute query or execute update. Then we have to write result set. Then we have to iterate the value, right or not? These all things are taken care by whom, guys? JDBC template. And JDBC template will take the help of which class? Data source interface. And data source interface take the help of which class? Exactly. Let's see, guys. That's why right now we are not going to write that set of code. We are going to write only one method, which is known as here, everyone. Right now I'm writing here public, right? Public void. अरे यार कुछ ज्यादा मच्छर नहीं है क्या आज? Be aware, guys, right now rainy seasons are there, right? You guys are staying in hostel, na? 100 rupees laga lo, right? Do one thing. Don't worry about money. Because of saving 100 rupees, maybe 10,000 rupees will be gone. Dengue will be there right now on peak. And it will send you home if happen. I'm telling you. Beware of that, because I also 8 year before also I used to stay in Amirpet only. Like my whole hostel got the dengue. Only 5-6 people left. So that's why be aware. For saving 100 rupees, maybe 10,000 rupees and 50,000 rupees will gone. Your roommates are not putting the all out and all those. You put it. Bacha lo unko bhi, right? Don't worry about it. If you are thinking roommates are not putting, why should I? उसके चक्कर में तुम भी जाओगे, right? That's why please put the all out in the if you are staying in PG, guys. I'm telling you, it's very dangerous. See here, everyone. Now I'm writing here. Everybody concentrate. चलो 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 इधर देखो. Now I'm writing here int here public void or int both कैसे होता है sir? Hold on. Shh. Okay, let's see guys. Everybody concentrate. I'm omitting this one यार. ये नहीं होता है. चलो चलो देखो. हाँ. Let's see. I have to write one more method. Everybody concentrate here. Now I'm writing here public. Public will be there, and I need a count. That's why I'm writing int and get number of product. Everybody concentrate here. Get number of product is there, right? Get number of product is there, and then we are writing here. Template dot. Instead of writing prepared statement, result set, and all those things, we are using one method known as query for object. Query for object. This is the name of method, query for object, where we are passing the SQL query, whatever we had written, and we are going to pass the class known as integer dot class here. Everybody concentrate. Integer dot class here. That's it. My code completed, right? And when you are going to write here return, right? Return JDBC template and all. Guys, your code completed and you can easily able to get the result here instead of prepared statement writing all those things. Now let's look at how actually this method will work internally. Everybody concentrate here. How this method will work internally, please look at it. Now this method right now will work somewhat in this manner. Everybody concentrate. This method is inside which class, guys? Template. Template is which class? JDBC template now. Inside the JDBC template means in this class only. In this class only, I'm writing it. I'm giving you the line here so that you can easily able to understand. Right? Understand it. After this, I'm writing it. Now let's see. So the method name is. Tell me the method name, guys. Query for object. What it is returning you? What it is returning you? Tell me. This is very important thing. What it is returning you? Right now you can see integer. It is returning me what, guys? Integer. Tomorrow if I write string, it will return me string. Yes. I will give float. It will return me float. Obviously, because I will change the class name, class type na. Based on my requirement, I'm writing class na. See the query, bhai. Select count one from product. It will return me the number of product na. Number of product is in string or integer. So if it is in integer, what's your requirement? User requirement is I need the result in the integer value, na? That's why you are writing your custom logic here, integer dot class. Tomorrow if I need some values name, then I will write here string. Yes. If I need price is in float, right? I will write here float or not? Okay, in this manner only means right now, who is someone which can accept any values? Watch out here, not in your phone. Tell me. String, wow. The method return type is string. Bahut badhiya. String is there, right? Now, string is there, na? So, tum log se yahi question. That's why interview will ask you this question. You will give this type of answer. He will give you the resume. Instant hoga ye. Resume diye. Who can accept all the value? String. Jao. Let's see, guys. Query for object is the method. Everybody concentrate. Query for object is there. Query for object is there. Concentrate, guys. This query for object internally taking SQL query, right? SQL query. Parameter is SQL query, and this one is a class type. Class, whichever the class you will pass. That's why generic type, question mark, right? Class type is there, type is there. Now whatever the class you will pass, integer, integer will come, string, string will come, float, float will come, right? That's why class of generic type is there. Now inside this, guys, inside this, inside whom? Inside JDBC template class. This method is inside JDBC template class only, guys, right? Inside this class, everybody concentrate, right? The log query will be there. First of all, connection con equals to null, right? Prepared statement, prepared, or whatever the things we are using. Suppose prepared statement only. Prepared statement is there. Everybody concentrate. Prepared statement is there. PSTMT equals to, what is that? Null. I'm writing internal code, guys. All these are internal. We are not going to write these things by our own, right? Prepared statement. Right now, after that, what is that? Result set is there. RS equals to null. RS equals to null. And then object type is there. Object result equals to, suppose here null. We had written here null. Now, right now, what will happen? First of all, inside the try and catch block. Okay, tell me. If you remember, unnecessary, we have to write try and catch block in JDBC API, na? Then who will take care of this, Spring JDBC or not? Who will take care of it? Spring JDBC, na? So Spring JDBC had provided me which class? JDBC template class or not? Now JDBC template class internally performing all these operations or not? That's why JDBC template have to write try and catch block or not? If the JDBC template is writing try and catch block, are you going to write try and catch block in your class? That's the only way we can get rid of unnecessary try and catch block. Right? Let's see, guys. Now I'm writing here con equals to, everybody see here, right? Con equals to, right now we are writing here con template. Everybody concentrate. Sorry, internally data source is there. Yeah, sorry, data source. So I'm writing here connection con equals to driver manager dot get connection. Right or not, guys? Connection con equals to, tell me, driver or get connection. Yeah, get connection, right? Driver manager. Okay, fine. Driver manager. I have to write and I have to pass here URL, username, password, na? I have to write username, URL, password, na? No, then what is the solution? Perfect. What is the solution? This class, JDBC template class is with you. Are you created this JDBC template class? Then how you can pass the value inside all those things? Right now, just I told you, JDBC source code will not write all these lines of code. It will use what? Connection pool. That's why it is present in JavaX package, na? That's why instead of writing these set of lines of code, it will call here, source dot get connection. That's it. It will not create the repeated line of code, guys. It will not create the repeated line of code, right? It will call get connection. This get connection is provided where? In the connection pooling. In the connection pooling, right? And then we are writing here PSTMT. Now tell me, what should I have to do? Con dot, what is that? Prepared statement or not? Prepared statement. Statement or not? Yes. And then I have to pass our query or not? Internally, Baba, see here. This is literal, if you are thinking tough. This is the method which we are writing. Tell me, what is the method name, guys? Query for object. This query for object is method of which class, guys? JDBC template class. Right or not? This query for object is the method of which class? JDBC template, na? So inside the JDBC template, we have one method query for object, right? Which will provide me this set of code. And then we are writing here, everybody concentrate here. Then we are writing here result set. result set rs equals to phtmt dot execute query or execute update as per your wish. Execute query will be there or execute update will be there, anything whatever you are going to write, right? And then what will happen? Then what will happen after that? See, who is managing the connection? JDBC template. With the help of which class? Data source. Who is creating prepared statement? JDBC template with the help of data source. Who is managing result set? JDBC template right now. Then iteration also done by the JDBC template is equal. That's why you are writing rs dot what, guys? While rs dot next. rs dot next method we are writing. This is a cursor, right? Now, first of all, it is checking if. Tell me one thing now. How it's working, everybody see? Connection created here? Yes. Prepared statement created here? Yes. Query send it from this place to database? Yes. Query send it, na? Yes. When the query send it, guys, when the things will be back here, it will give you some result or not? Result will be based on your query or not? What is your query? Select count. What's your expected result? 1. So, based on the query, right, from the database, 1 or 2 will be returned or not? Yes. Now, right now, that 1 and 2 will be stored inside the result set. And now you are checking if the type equals to integer dot class. You are not writing internally code, right? Then result equals to, everybody see here, result equals to, right, rs dot get int. rs dot get int means if the result type which is coming inside the right now, if the result type is coming inside this one, right? Now what we are checking, rs dot next. Now the type, whatever the type you had given, you had provided the type. If that type is integer dot class, we are getting the result in which format, guys? Integer format, right? Integer format. Everybody understand? This is the internal code of this particular thing. If type equals to string dot class, right? In the result, we are going to store here rs dot get string. What is that? Get string, right? Get string. In the same manner, everybody concentrate. In the same manner, suppose I'm writing here else if, we can write else if also, right? If the type equals to float dot class, then the result is returning in the format of which one, guys? Float, na? So result equals to rs dot get float of 1, suppose here. Right? In this manner, all the reference type database will be managed. And at the last, everybody see, at the last, you are returning what, guys? Everybody see here. At the last, you are returning the result. Okay, hold on. If you will confuse, don't worry about it. I will clear it. Now see, this is the code in front of you, how data source manager work. Now let's see. Let me summarize that so that it will insert in your mind. Can I? Okay, let's see, guys. Everybody, let me summarize that. The code is completed. Now, everybody see. For performing these operations, everybody concentrate for 5 minutes, guys, right? For performing these operations. Okay. These things are present in which place, guys? Everybody concentrate. These things are present in which place? These things are present in the database or not? Yes. Now, database will be there. Everybody concentrate. The database will be there in front of you. Right? Database will be there in front of you. भाई तुम लोग को समझाना कोडिंग कब करूंगा मैं, right? Now which is the table, guys? Product is the table. Now inside the product table, all those things are there or not? Yes. We have to perform some operation. Operation means we have to find out some results from this place. That's why right now we had written which class, guys? Product DAO class. Inside the product DAO class, guys, I have to write repeated set of logic or not? Yes. Wake up. That's why we are not writing the repeated set of logic. We are using which class? JDBC template class. Right or not? Right? Usko utao. Uth ja. JDBC template class. Right or not, guys? Now JDBC template class will provide all the connection and all those things, or it will take the help of someone. Repeat. It will take the help of Who is the someone? Data source is a class or interface. So can we create the object of interface? Then JDBC, Spring JDBC will provide me which class? Driver manager, data source. With the help of data source, what we can provide? We can provide the connections or not? Now, right now, guys, with the help of the data source connection, we had provided the connection here. Right? We had provided the connection. Everybody concentrate. We had provided the connection here. Now, connection completed means my application is now connected with the database. Right or not? This application, whatever the applications are there, right, with the help of data source, right now, with the help of data source, it is connected to the database or not? Yes, it is connected to the database right now. Okay, now I have to perform some operation now. For performing some operation, I have to send the query to the database with the help of prepared statement or not? Yes, and I have to return the result back and gather inside the result set or not? Yes. For I have to iterate the value with the help of while loop or not? Yes. All thing we are going to do, or JDBC template is going to do. JDBC template. It will take the help of which class? And data source will take the help of which class? Driver manager, data source. That's why right now inside the data source, I mean to say driver manager data JDBC template, guys, we had written data source, right? And then we are writing here. We are not explicitly writing here prepared statement, result set, while loop. Who will take care? A method known as query for object. Now query for object will take all these value, right? With the help of get connection. From the connection pooling, it will take the connection back. It will perform the operation and it will check what the user had passed which type. The user had passed which type right now? Integer na? This integer will go and store inside this type or not? And now you are checking here. While type is if integer, you are going to get the result in which format, guys? Integer format. So if you are going to give the result of integer format, it will return the result based on how many columns are there in your table. As a result, you will get the answer. I hope everybody has understood the execution flow. Huh? Chalo, I'm picking up the person. Tell me fast. Tell me fast here. Only Sabir, Sumita, and Aditi, and somewhat Satish, Dhruvesh. These people are only speaking right now in the chat. Sometime Gautam also. Other all people, please sleep, huh? Online people, paid the money, you are in your home or you are in your PG, sleep properly, right? You don't have any responsibility to learn. Because you join online, right? You are very rich kids, na? Wasting the time. No issue. If you are not going to speak and all those, I'm telling you one thing. Online people, let me tell you one thing, guys. तुम लोग खुद ही में बात कर लो यहाँ पे. Right? Okay, do one thing. Don't speak online, people. Then tomorrow onwards, I will put one admin for you who will take care of you. I'm going to say I will tell for 2 days, write down the name of the people who are not replying it. So 1 hour, he's just only going to sit and write the name. And then the name is with me. Already the name is given, but I had given you the chance. If you tell me right now, time is not there, but if you tell me to give me the proof, I will give you the names of the people. Right? Your wish. Continue. Chalo, theek hai. You are not in front of me, then you're taking the advantage of it. It's very bad. It's very bad. If you will see the offline people, how active they are in front of me, then you will realize it. That staying in the bed or staying in the room and studying is how much easy it will be. If you will be in offline, you can see the people in front of me right now. Chalo, let's see, guys. Everybody concentrate here. Fine. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you. Okay, you. Yeah, you had not given in. Now tell me the execution flow, whatever I'm going to give, ask you the answer. Guys, follow up the questions. Right? Tell me, product DO class for what purpose? Right? ठीक है. Operation we have to perform, right? For performing operation, what thing we have to need? Driver name, connection, prepared statement, result. Okay. Are going to write all those things? Then who will provide? Spring JDBC. With the help of which class? With the help of which class? JDBC? Okay, perfect. Fine. Now, you tell me. JDBC template internally will perform all these operation? Which will take the help of which class? Data source. Data source present in which package? SQL. Why it's present in SQL? Exactly, right? Connection pool will provide you what advantage? No need of writing this, making connection logic every time now. Okay, perfect. Right now. Now tell me. Okay, fine. Now you tell me. Yeah. Hold on. Now you tell me right now. Data source right now internally will take care of internally take the help of which class? Data source is an interface, na? It will take the help of which class? Driver manager data source. Who will provide that driver manager data source? Java. नहीं, ये प्रोवाइड किया है जावा स्क्रिप्ट ने. तुम अभी पढ़ रहे हो एजेंटिक एआई. It is data source. पहले उठ जाओ. Wake up. This data source is an interface, na? It's provided by whom? JDBC API, right? But it is an interface. Anybody should have to provide the implementation class, na? That implementation class is provided by whom? Spring JDBC. That class name is what? Driver manager data source. ठीक है? It's okay? पहले उठ जाओ, process करो mind को, तब answer दे पाओगे. Right? Okay, fine. Now after that JDBC template is there. Now for writing the query, we should have to use query for object method, or directly we have to write everything? Query for object. Now query for object will work in this manner or not? Okay, shall we do the practical now? Okay, everybody concentrate here and let's see the practical of this one. Okay, yeah, fine. For this one, guys, first of all, I need two jars. Two jars. Okay, hold on. Now, in JDBC, which jar you are using? You are using one jar or not, guys? Okay, the jar is right now. What is that jar? You can say that OJDBC 8 dot or 11 dot something jar you are using or not? Right now, for connecting with the database, I need jars or not? Yes. Now, that's the same manner. Online people, are you listening? Yeah, listen it properly, guys. Yeah, fine, guys. Let's see. Now, OJDBC jar. Now, what I will do here in the Maven, guys, in the Maven, where we are adding the dependencies inside the pom.xml. So, in the pom.xml, if I pom.xml, everybody concentrate. This pom.xml having only the Spring Core and Spring Context jar, na? But I need Spring JDBC and the OJDBC 8 dot jar, na? Are Spring JDBC, we are learning what? Spring JDBC? Spring JDBC will provide me the classes, na? What is the class Spring JDBC will provide me? JDBC template and driver manager data source. Data source is an interface, na? It is provided by JDBC API. Only two classes Spring JDBC will provide me. What are the two classes? JDBC template, driver manager data source. Whenever I'm telling you this name, you should have to tell the work. Right? Now everybody concentrate. For this thing, I need two jar. First of all, for connecting with database OJDBC 8 and for Spring JDBC here. That's why I will go for Maven repository, right? I will go for Maven repository. Maven repository. Right? Maven repository. Inside the Maven repository, guys, right? Inside the Chalo. Inside this Maven repository here, right? We should have to write here two things. First of all, OJDBC oh sorry, OJDBC. I'm using site 8. Oh, yeah. OJDBC 8 is there. Everybody concentrate. OJDBC 8. Right? We'll click on this. It will give me the jars. You can see the jars are there, guys. How you are adding, sir? But we are adding jar from Oracle place in the build path. No. That's why we are using Maven. Right? Now everybody see, I will pick up any of them. 23.8, something like that. Now you can see, right? OJDBC 8.jar is there. Sir, I need jar na. So if you need jar here, everybody concentrate here. If you need jar here, you have to click on this one. You can see right now. You can see, right? In this way. In this way you have to click. You will get the jar. But right now, we are not taking the jar explicitly. We'll take the dependency. Click on this dependency, right? Take this dependency. Let's go back to the place. Everybody concentrate. Let's go back to the place. Now I'm writing here in this manner. Control Shift F. Now dependency added. Which dependency? Oracle. Connected with the Oracle. Right? Connected with the Oracle. Now I need Spring JDBC who will provide me the classes. That's why again I'm going for which place, guys? Exactly in this place. Everybody concentrate. And I'm writing here what, guys? Spring JDBC. Spring JDBC. Now Spring JDBC I had provided. Now Spring JDBC is there. Make sure that everybody concentrate. Make sure that the dependency should be matched with the other all. Other all means right now. I'm talking about these two. What we are using 6.2.8 core and context. 6.2.18. Is it right? Now in the same manner we are going to provide here. 6.2.18 here. 6.2.18. Now let's go here. Take this dependency 6.2.18. Don't worry. In the notes I will clearly write it for you. Right? And let's go to the pom.xml. Right? And after this, Control V. Now done. After doing all those things, we should have to do what, guys? Tell me. We should have to. We should have to refresh, na? Okay. Let's go for where? Maven. आ गया. अच्छा फोल्डर पे मैंने कर दिया क्या? Let's say right click on that Maven. What is that? Update project. Right, force update and offline will be there. Done. All things are completed. Let's create a package here, guys. Everybody concentrate. First step. Let's create a package. com.db operation. Right, one package I had created, com.db operation. Everybody concentrate here. Now we are going to write one class. Everybody concentrate here. Already we had created table yesterday, remember? Okay, let me check the table. Hold on. SQL. That's practically. Right, connect system. And what is that? Manager is there. Right, select star from. Everybody concentrate here. Select star from, what is the table name we had taken yesterday? Product, right? Two product are there with me right now in the database. Two product are there with me. Okay, let's go to our class, guys. Everybody concentrate. Let's go to our class. And inside this class, chalo, hट जाओ. तुम हट जाओ. काम नहीं है तुम्हारा. And you also go. Yeah, let's see. Outline अभी काम नहीं. Okay, let's see, guys, everyone. Now I'm going to create one operation. Concentrate, guys. Now I'm writing here. कहाँ गया भाई? Class. Class is there. And then we are going to write here product DAO. DAO class is there. Everybody concentrate. Now inside the product DAO class, am I going to write all these operations? No. I am using Spring given classes now. What is that? JDBC template. Right? What is that template I had given? Okay, now I should have to write mandatory process. That's why constructor injection is there. Okay, fine, great. Now, for providing the connection and all those things, everybody, right now. Now JDBC will take the help of which class? Data source, na? For providing all these operations, right? Everybody concentrate. Providing all these operations, we should have to perform some logic, na? Okay, so do you need direct XML with annotation or directly annotation? XML, can you think? Can you think about the XML internally? Doubt. चलो, let's see, हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Everybody concentrate here, guys. Let's see, everybody concentrate here. Now I'm writing here application hyphen context dot XML. XML is there. XML is there. Now क्या हो गया? Let's see, guys. एप्लीकेशन हाइफन भाई XML के लिए नहीं जाऊंगा, बहुत लिखना पड़ता है यार. सच में यार बहुत लिखना पड़ता है. It's irritating यार. Should I go with annotation directly? Okay, perfect. चलो ठीक है. Now tell me right now we have a class right now. Product DAO is a class. Everybody कह रहे बहुत लिखना पड़ेगा यार, बहुत ज्यादा है ये वो. And initially we have to use this only, right? Now product DAO is there. The product DAO is a class right now which have JDBC template or not? Okay, now tell me, JDBC template class is with you or somebody else? So if the class is somebody else, we will go for which approach? Perfect. Java configuration approach or not? Let's go for the Java configuration approach, guys. I'm writing a class which is known as Java config. Everybody see here, Java config is there, right? Java config is there. Inside this